Looking for the perfect panini press or indoor grill to upgrade your kitchen game? From crispy sandwiches to juicy steaks and fluffy pancakes, today we're counting down the top 5 panini presses and indoor grills you can find on Amazon right now. We've compared performance, versatility, design, and value for money, and picked out the very best options for every home and budget. Let's jump right in, starting with number 5. Number 5. IMUSA Stainless Steel Panini Press Electric. If you're short on space but love a quick grilled snack, the IMUSA Stainless Steel Panini Press is a compact and stylish pick. It measures just 11 by 6.5 inches, perfect for apartments or small kitchens, yet delivers 1,200 watts of even heat thanks to its cast aluminum plates. The nonstick surface makes cleaning easy, while the adjustable temperature dial and ready indicator lights ensure your food cooks at the perfect temperature every time. It even includes adjustable height settings and a locking clip for upright storage. Small but mighty, the IMUSA Panini Press is ideal for everyday meals, from golden grilled cheese to perfectly toasted French toast. Number 4 is the Hamilton Beach Panini Press and Electric Indoor Grill. If you're craving cafe-style paninis at home, the Hamilton Beach Panini Press gets the job done beautifully. It features an 8 by 10 inch cooking surface with non-stick plates that grill evenly. No flipping needed. The floating lid design presses any sandwich size evenly, whether you're stacking up a thick panini, a cheesy quesadilla, or an open-face melt. A preheat light lets you know exactly when it's ready, and its chrome finish gives it that polished countertop look. With upright storage and 1,400 watts of power, this press is perfect for quick snacks and light meals, though it's best suited for smaller batches. At number 3, we have the Chefman Panini Press, a versatile choice that doubles as a full grill. With the push of a button, it opens 180 degrees, letting you grill burgers, veggies, and more, or close it up to press 4 sandwiches at once. Its floating hinge adjusts to fit any sandwich size, and the non-stick coated plates make cleanup effortless. A removable drip tray collects grease and crumbs, while the stainless steel surface keeps it looking sleek and modern. Compact enough for small kitchens, yet big enough for family meals, the Chefman is the perfect balance of performance, style, and convenience. Coming in second is a kitchen legend, the George Foreman 4-serving grill and panini press. Known for its durability and healthier cooking, this model features George Tough non-stick coating, which is 3 times more durable than standard surfaces. No butter or oil is needed, and the improved heating elements warm up 35% faster, so your food goes from prep to plate in record time. The removable grill plates make cleanup effortless. Just pop them into the dishwasher and you're done. It's compact yet powerful, with enough cooking space for 4 servings. Perfect for busy homes that want fast, tasty, and low-fat meals without the hassle. And taking the top spot, the Cuisinart Griddler 5-in-1. This appliance does it all: a contact grill, panini press, full griddle, and even a half grill, half griddle combo. It's built for total versatility, handling everything from breakfast pancakes and sausages to grilled cheese sandwiches, burgers, and steaks. Dual temperature controls let you fine-tune your cooking, from warm to sear, ensuring perfect results every time. Cleanup is stress-free with dishwasher-safe nonstick plates and a removable drip tray. Plus, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. With its stainless steel finish, precision controls, and multifunctional design, the Cuisinart Griddler is easily the most complete indoor grill setup for any home cook. And there you have it, the top 5 panini presses and indoor grills on Amazon right now. Whether you're cooking for one, a family, or just love the taste of golden, crispy sandwiches, there's something here for every kitchen size and budget. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and check the links in the description to grab your favorite pick. See you in the next Home and Kitchen Finds video.